Bhatia keeps giving her fans a sneak peek into her life through Instagram, right from film shoots to her exotic vacations and her stunning home. Tamanna Bhatia lives an uber luxurious lifestyle, and today we're gonna have a look. Bhatia lives in a luxurious apartment in Mumbai that's worth Rs 16.60 crores. Located on the 14th floor of Bayview apartment at Juhu Versova Link Road in Mumbai that spreads across 80,778 per square area. Her luxury does not restrict to homes. She does have lavish collections of cars. Tamanna Bhatia is major petrol head and is often seen cruising around with her super expensive luxury four-wheelers. The actress has some of the world's best automobiles. Land Rover Range Rover Discovery Sport worth Rs 75.5 lakhs. BMW 320i costing Rs 43.50 lakhs. Mercedes-Benz GLE worth Rs 1.02 crores. And the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport worth Rs 29.96 lakhs. Wait, this does not end here. She owns the 5th largest diamond in the world. Yes, Tamanna Bhatia loves jewelry and owns a stunning diamond ring that costs 2 crore, and that also happens to be the 5th largest diamond in the world. To let you know, it was gifted by Ram Charan's wife.